time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show that where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that comes from Singapore. This is from Topp, and this is instant macaroni tom yum flavor. And I thought that was something interesting you might find interesting as well. So yeah, it's a cup. You have macaroni inside, and you add the sachet contents like so. And I will need the assistance of a pair of scissors on the second one. Remember, knead your sachets. Sometimes they'll be tough, not wanting to move, and if you just pop it open and you dump it in, you're going to lose a lot of that heavenly glory. So there we go. Good. And then we just give it a little snip. Personally, I don't like to get all the paste sachet goo all over my hands, so I just use a pair of scissors. I've had people ask me, so what's the best way to get these things open without getting it all over your hands? I'm like, scissors? Oh, never thought of that. Thanks. It's like, my pleasure. I mean, I guess you never know what to think. But yeah, this one takes 5 minutes. Right to there. And there we go. And there are instant macaroni varieties all over the world that are much different than what you find here. Here often, macaroni and cheese. Elsewhere, it's macaroni with tonkatsu flavor, tom yum flavor, mushroom, chicken, a lot of different stuff. And it's generally not bad. Give it a little stir. Doesn't say to, but I'm going to go out on a limb that that just seems like a reasonably good idea. Oh. We will see how this ends up. But it's cloudy. I'm home for the next 5 days. I'm going to review like crazy. This will be review number 4,916, which means I'm 84 reviews, right? Yeah, 84 reviews away from number 5,000. If you've got any great ideas what number 5,000 should be, it's probably too late at this point. I'm probably already there and just waiting for the day for it to post. But either way, if you got a thought or you're a company and you want to be number 5,000, drop me a line. I'm interested, because it's a big number and I want to do something fancy and I don't know what to do. I'm unsure at this point, except for the fact I need a beverage. One moment. And now I have a beverage. I'm going to have some of this. These are on sale at Super Supplements. They're only 150 mils of caffeine, but they were cheap. I think a 12-pack of these was like, I don't know, but they were 75% off. So that's cool. I'm happy about that. Not my favorite. Definitely not my favorite. But yeah, I'm very curious how this is going to turn out. Hopefully it's really good. I love Tom Yum. If you've never really had Tom Yum, you really should try. Kind of a spicy, lemongrassy, salty. It's good. Highly recommend Tom Yum. Kind of tomatoey. A lot of stuff going on, but it's a Thai standard. Actually, excuse me. Malaysian Tom Yum is a completely different animal. Thai Tom Yum is thinner, whereas Malaysian is very thick. I like them both. I've had them both in both countries, but it's been a while since I've been to either of those countries. In 2014, so it's been like 10 years since I was in Malaysia, and it feels like yesterday. I can like that, like I got saturated with Malaysian culture and flavors and all that. It was a good deal, and I want to go back. It was fun. I highly recommend it if you can make it over to Penang. It's a good place. And yeah. Ooh, it's almost time for her break. This is good timing, actually. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I need to bring more props to the show. Maybe on the next one. Yeah, maybe I'll have some props for the next episode. I might do a mukbang on the next one. I'm unsure about it. I could. Okay, there's that. Let's give this a try. This is mac and cheese. Not mac and cheese. This is just Tom Yum macaroni. Looks like it. Okay, there's the noodle. The noodle has a nice the Tom Yum flavor was really good. That good. Very nice shrimp Tom Yum flavor. It's believable. The shrimp taste is nice. I'm enthused. Okay, let's not make a mess. There we are. Yeah, I usually don't think of the Ramen Raider doing macaroni or macaroni in this way, but it's a good way. It's a good way. A little bit of springy onion. A little bit of sesame seed. And a little crushed red pepper. So yeah, I think this is a good one the way it is. Miles is out there yammering about what I can't tell. All right, rotate. All right, that one is really good. Granted, it's not ramen or anything, but it's really freaking good. The next one we're gonna do is another one that I found at H Mart recently, and this is bowl ramen. I've reviewed these before, but this one is a bowl version. It's their big bowl, and it's their regular level of spicy. We'll see. Hopefully this one's somewhat better than it was before, and yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and goodbye.